Hey, what's happening, sneakerheads? How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, go and give this video a big thumbs up. We're trying to get this video to 100 likes.
Come on now. Nah, we ain't trying. I keep telling you, man, we go get there. One way or another, we go get there.
Yes, sir. All right, so in this video, sneakerheads, we're talking about the updates and recaps. Starting off with the updates. So as you know, we did hit on those Jordan 4 red cements. Like I said,
Woo!
we ended up hitting 3 grade school and 1 men's pair. I guess nobody wanted these, but like we said, we was gonna let y'all do a little bit of comparison to see how the men's pairs came out compared to the grade school. Like I said, this is a nice pair for the grade school. So usually the leather on here is not as nice as this one, in my opinion. It is tumble leather. As you see, the men's is a little bit more tumbler. But I can understand, like if you already had the Red Fire 4s, that is an invert of this. If you haven't done so already, go check out that short right there. But basically, where it's black at, it's red, and where it's red at, it's black. So, and the biggest difference, of course, no Nike Air branding on the back. But this is a nice pair, in my opinion. You never can go wrong with that red, white, and
Mhm.
black. These are the, Chicago colorways. Good for almost any color, but this is a nice pair, in my opinion. And these are a lot, even if they don't feel as tumble as they should, they have a nice tumble texture that makes them look even more tumbled than they actually are. So a very clean and nice shoe, in my opinion. Uniform man. What do you think about these, my brother?
Hey,
Uniform
them,
man.
you already know, right? Because check this out. Look what I got.
Uh-oh.
Hey, so if I did it how you did it, however you was doing it, right? Right? Yeah. Oh, you know I already love them. Yeah. Right? Yeah. Yes, sir. But here's the kicker though. I'm learning that this here shoe, right, is a female shoe, whatever color you rock. This past weekend, I had on them Steeler Nation. Steeler Nation had the jersey on. Y'all seen those videos out there with me representing. Hey, check out that video right there. Representing.
Hey, hey, and you also see my team beat your team this weekend too, right?
Hey,
30-6, right?
yeah. So listen, we're not talking about that right now. I
Oh,
know.
okay. My
Yeah,
bad.
yeah.
My bad.
We not talking about that right now. Hey, we talking about these, right?
Yes, sir.
So this past weekend, I seen it was three people
Hmm.
had on this shoe. This shoe, not those over there.
Yes,
This
sir.
shoe. One of them was a male, and two of them was a female. And I came to the conclusion: this shoe right here, which I love them. I love them. And then
I
just
love
turn
these
on,
too.
right? Yes, sir.
Hey, so now I just want some clarification because, so like you're saying that you're talking about the colorway is a female, or you're saying the model Jordan 4 silhouette for females?
The shoe, not the colorway. The shoe.
Or the shoe model Jordan
The
4?
fours. I'm gonna tell you like this.
Mm-hmm.
Sneakerheads, drop us a comment down below. Because I know at times when we out there, my brother and I, we can get on a rant where we're having dialogue amongst ourselves. But this content is never about us. It's about you, the true sneakerheads. And these here, right? Not the color, the shoe, the fours are for women. The fours are for women. And trust and believe, trust and believe. They listen to us, my brother. They listen to us. Now you go start seeing different colors with them. Because this shoe right here, it was three people out this weekend. I'm representing the Steelers wear. Yes, sir. I see them back there. Right? Had them on. Yeah, you lost it. Yeah, yeah. And it was three of us. One of us was a male, which was me, and two females. And I sat back there. It's not the shoe, right? It's not the color. Mm-mm. but it's the shoe.
Let us know in the comments, sneakerheads, do you think that the Jordan 4 silhouette is for females or it's for males? I kind of like disagree with my bro because I just think that the 4s are in right now. You know, this is the most popular model at the moment. So, and of
For a
course,
female.
women and men, they are wearing the same shoes and the same colors. So this is the number one shoe for Jordan right now. So regardless of whoever's out there, men and women, they're gonna be rocking these. But that's just my opinion. Let us know your comments down in the comments section.
Yes,
I'd like to hear
sir.
from you, sneakerheads. Moving on, we have just giving y'all updates, sneakerheads, so we didn't put this out on our weekly heat. This Saturday, October 14th, the Jordan 1 Retro High OG Mauve is coming out this Saturday. This is basically, I'm gonna say this is the plum pair. What would you say that, Trey? About
No, it's more of like a grape.
grape? Okay, light grape. But this shoe does look like a women's shoe to me, but this is surprisingly a men's pair. I think this is a very clean pair in my opinion, but again, this is another shoe that I wish probably would have came out in the spring or the summer. What do you think about these, my brother? You are one man.
You're right. I mean, I can see where you're going with with it being more of a female shoe, but it is a male shoe. It's a clean shoe. It's a shoe that I can see others wearing. So, but overall, yeah, I like them.
So I do expect this to sit, but if you're a female, go ahead and cop these. Let us know in the comments, stinky heads, are you rocking these or dropping these? So moving on, we have the recaps. These are the Jordans that are released. There was a few minor Jordans that came out, but the primary shoe was the Jordan 8 playoffs. What happened to those, my brother?
So right now, men's sold out. All men's sizes were sold out. Still available, select pair of grade school out there on Nike.com. You got what, 3.5 and 3.5, 4 for the grade schools, right? That shoe right there, hey, being a playoff fan, I'm rocking those.
So I'm not gonna lie, I don't have any 8s in my collection, and for some reason, why I did expect these shoes to sit, but I guess because The Last Dance, Michael Jordan did play in these, and they say when The Last Dance came out, there was a lot of people that once they saw the video of the film or short, whatever you want to call it, The Last Dance, that they were trying to, I guess, collect all the shoes that he wore. So maybe that's why these sold out. But in my opinion, I was very shocked. I did expect them to sit, but hey, they sold out.
Right. Hey, drop us a comment down below, right? if you felt that shoe was a shoe that should have sold out or sit. But right now and out there, it's a market for doing what we like to do, right? And that's giving you content on things that make sense. So drop us a comment down below and let us know what's what. Hey, if you continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
Like we say for sure, when you're blessed,
hey, bless others. Peace.